Wait, no, guys, let's survive. Let's survive 100 days.
On Tutorial Island?
100 days
Yeah, on Tutorial Island.
Right.
Wait, no, don't leave, don't leave, don't leave. Come here, guys.
What else is there to see up here?
Well, don't place too much. Don't place too much of this because it'll lag.
How did you make that pile?
You just come down to the bottom and then just place it down.
Oh, and just put it on the ground.
Don't put too much. Don't put too much. So
Well, here, I got logs.
I'm giving you my cookie.
That's enough. This is enough of that.
And are we going to start a fire with this? How do you...
You want a cookie? It's a cookie.
Cookie? What?
It's his, it's a friend request. You take their cookie, you gotta grab it while they're passing it to you.
No, you have to.
You don't have to
hold
eat
down
it.
like this until you make a fist. Then I put it in your hand. Then you automatically.
Okay, then you eat it.
Sometimes.
Then you eat it.
Well, you don't have to eat it. You don't have to eat it. Campfire, guys, it's a campfire.
Let's burn the apples. We will cook the apples.
Oh, damn.
My hands.
This is so good. Oh, campfire.
I left
I'm
my
cooking
bag
my
there.
apple get warm.
Hey, if I throw coal in there, what's going to happen?
This is gonna make the fire bigger.
Sweet. So we're not going to, like, destroy the environment, you know?
Yeah, you know,
No, we are destroying the environment.
global warming in a VR game, bro. It's not
That should
sustainable.
hurt a lot.
But that's gonna lag our game too much.
Ah!
What happened to these? What happened to these things?
Want to go cut some trees down?
Yep.
This is day one. This is the night of day one. We're gonna have to make our own food, and plant stuff. I call the.
I
first
vote we
apple
eat the
tree.
guy in the black first.
Okay, I'm not wearing black. Yeah, you're right. Just had to double check it wasn't me.
Yep. I'm in
Okay.
green.
Do I need, like, an axe or anything?
Yeah, they're laying over here on the ground. Leave the little one alone. You want a long one.
Oh, there's big ones?
Yeah,
Like
you
this?
want one of, yeah, that one or this one here. Either way.
If it'll ever let me grab it. There we go.
Now, get your axe flipped around right in your hands, and you want to dual wield it. And then sideways, wide swings on the
Guys,
log.
this is my tree.
I'm an Australian,
My tree.
eh?
Not the tree. Not the
What's
fruit
up,
tree.
Riot?
Like right here.
You can't do that tree.
Sideways. Whack up. Whack up. Yeah, big hits. There it is. Now you fucking bust it down. And now you've got logs. There's more stumps this way.
I can take a big tree down.
Okay, when I
It'll
say
take me
go,
forever.
you get it, okay? 3, 2, 1, go. There.
Ah!
Ah! It broke! And I made it! Ow!
And then you gotta bust
Oh,
it down.
like this.
Dude
This is nice.
disconnected.
Look at that.
Oh no! Dude
That's
froze
completed.
himself. I get the apple tree. I get this apple tree.
In
There's
in this
another one
area.
over here. Come here, guys. There's another one up here. Just come here. This is my apple tree up here. This is my apple tree up here. Follow me. Mine is the farthest one.
It's not going to let me
Here.
take your food away. Damn.
This is my farthest tree.
I'm not letting this axe go.
The farthest tree is
I don't
mine.
know. Keep that bitch.
But this berry bush, this blueberry bush is mine. This blueberry bush is mine. I planted it.
This right here? This is
Yeah, I
for when we
planted
have to eat you.
Mm,
These
nice
berries,
blueberry
You
and
wanna know
apple.
something cool?
not too
blueberry
bad.
and
I
apple
think
kid.
I need some meat.
Do you want to know something cool? I produced these, and I sleep in these, and you're eating them.
What?
Oh, wait, it's midnight. I gotta go to sleep. Stop, please don't hit me. Can you stop
Your
hitting
dinner,
me?
bro.
No, stop.
All right.
I'm going
Come
to
on,
sleep.
just the leg,
Is there
bro.
anything-
You got 12 and 6.
Yep.
All right, so come in here.
Don't hit it hard. Stop. Move out of the way. You can take the stick and put it in there.
There you go.
I see
Yeah.
it.
And then do the.
Just
go.
keep adding more sticks. Yep. And now get
And
your
now you
hammer
need a
out.
hammer. Now get your hammer out and then bang this.
Look,
He doesn't
grass
have
right
to
here.
put the grass there now. Well, he doesn't have to put
Nope.
it there.
Nails.
Oh, I see.
Did you drop the sticks?
Thank you.
Yeah, just keep dropping everything.
I love blueberries.
Now you need 2 more.
Yes. Somehow magically turned.
Oh, watch your fingers. Almost bit him. Yeah, you can't get but so many red pieces or it'll break.
It? What's up top here?
A stick.
Grass?
A stick and then
Oh,
grass.
for a handle.
Yeah.
A stick
And then
dried
one
grass.
last nail. Thank you. Those blueberries are delicious.
Now nail the last one. You have to nail the
Guess I
last
gotta
one
make a
in to
better
get the
hammer.
quest.
No, you
And
put
then
that
you
on your
can-
back. Yep. And then you take it off your back same way.
Just like every other VR game ever. Cool.
Yep.
Exactly.
Alright.
Next up.
But now we have to go do all the
Mine.
other stuff.
Up here.
Yeah.
So grab a stick before you go.
I
And
still
this
got four
time-
left.
Some flint.
And then grab a flint. It's the black rock. Oh shit. I'll take some blueberries, bro.
Put it like this. Do the same with the rock. And then what I do is I grab a dried grass and put the dried grass on the top. Put the dried grass on the top. Take a flint.
It's not holding that freaking angle. Okay.
Dude,
Oh my god, I don't have
You
enough
feel
space
like
for
this.
this.
Bro,
There you go.
you can grab
Alright.
how to hold something without gripping it. Double tap your pointer finger. Double tap your pointer finger while holding an object.
Yeah, we
and
got
you.
you.
Don't have to hold the object.
There. Oh, wrong
I
side.
turned
Now you
into
got
a
a spear. So
Now you
build
got a
build
spear.
another one. There.
Oh,
Now you have
the
one.
achieve-
I hooked you up.
doesn't need-
I gave you
wait,
mine.
Wait, take this dried grass.
Oh, shit,
Take this dried
thanks.
grass. Dude, yeah, and then add it onto the pickaxe. And now take flint.
Now it's a
and
torch.
bash it against this flint. and it turns it.
That's cool.
Or check it.
I'm
You
liking
can
it.
just stick it in a torch thing, and it'll light up.
Huh.
And then
They're
check
ready,
this
come on.
out. You can set the grass on fire. Up here in the cave.
In the actual game, you'll be able to upgrade your bag. Get this stuff to have a lantern on it, and then you won't have to worry about a torch.
Nice.
It's just you
Hey
need
man, how do you make
coal.
a campfire, bro?
Me?
Yeah, how do you make a campfire?
A bunch of dried grass.
So
and
look.
logs.
I probably should.
Dried
Like-
grass and logs.
Yeah, dried grass and logs.
How much dried grass?
And you need as many as you want. The more, the merrier.
Oh, okay.
The more you get, the bigger the fire.
Alright, that's that objective completed. And I discovered
well-
the island, so mining completed. Yeah, sure.
I could have used this
Oh,
for
no.
blacksmith, but I could have used it
So
for
hard to aim.
blacksmithing. But in this game, there is no blacksmithing
Huh?
because it's tutorial.
so many apples.
But we could sell these. Wait, let's go get bugs. Let's go get bugs.
Turn off
Put away your torch.
fires.
Wait, no, that's fine.
Oh, you gotta turn them off. Come out here and put it in your inventory till it shuts off.
And then come
And
over
then
here.
We're just
Come
going
down
around
here.
the corner here.
It gets very dark. It gets very dark down here.
What the?
And it
At
spawns
least
bugs.
someone's wearing white.
This is
It
where the
spawns
gay
bugs.
stuff happens, dog. We're about to haze you into the group now.
See, I'm in the army.
See,
so
here-
kinda
here they
used to
come.
that.
Here they come.
Yeah, here.
These little bugs,
No.
they start lighting up
Yeah,
the room.
kill them. Kill them.
You get stuff from
Kill
killing
them.
them?
So rude, man.
Well, just let them
Damn.
be, and you won't have to kill them. Let them be, and you won't have to kill them.
It lights up the room.
Take
You can
it.
pick 'em up?
Take it. Take
Yeah.
it.
AKA produces
It's like a
light.
glow stick, dog.
That's fucking dope.
Let's go. Stick
Can light out.
on it.
What
And
the hell
kill
did
it.
we- Oh, look at that. Why can't we just run in here with torches?
Because they don't
Say
spawn.
goodbye to your little pet.
Yeah, they don't come out. Guys, drop the bugs. Drop the bugs.
Why?
No, because you shake them too much. You shake them too much, and it creates too much light. So the
Too much
other
light
bugs
for
don't
what?
spawn.
Oh, there's
Oh.
more
Too much light
bugs.
for the bugs to spawn.
Okay, well, I'm gonna do something really cruel then.
Do we need more bugs? You just killed one.
Because yes, because we can sell them.
To who? There's no coin in
New
here.
player. To anybody.
My bug.
Yeah, trade a bug for a backpack is what I'm gonna do.
Wait, guys, get coal, so we can make a giant campfire.
A bug roast?
Bug roast? Or we bet
Yeah,
that
we'll
little
roast bugs.
bug roast?
Shrink.
Okay, well, I'm done here. I got all this done. Like, discover
mean-
meta.
Once you
Oh,
bought-
God.
Guys,
Like
we need
Facebook
one, two,
meta?
bot.
Yeah, dude.
One, two.
Oh,
Once you bought-
God, dude. Why
once
they
you
gotta
bought
bring that
follow.
into this
Once
game?
you bought follow.
It is what it is, man.
But once you bought activate, and then once you bought follow.
Gross.
I
I'm about
mean,
to see Zuckerberg.
I
I
talk
got
about his
the...
life.
No, bro, not that bad.
Once
Not
you
that
bought
bad.
follow me.
I almost
Steps
couldn't
into the
play
game.
fucking Echo VR because
Shush.
of the EULAs it made me check off about being nice to people and shit.
This is what you do. Come over here.
I don't want to be
Come
nice
over
to
here.
people.
Put your hand on
No.
this. Put your hand on this, and then you wait a while, and then it goes like that. And then you have to run
Okay.
over here,
We're
and then
fighting.
you have to do every individual
I'm gonna
one.
give you up and let you down. Want an apple?
You can discover servers in the main menu. Okay.
Wait, guys, meet 1-2 bot. Me 1-2 bot.
Okay.
Bot 1-2 bot.
How
Once you
slow
want-
does this thing
Yes,
think I
I'm
read,
wiser
man?
than you, so let me eat.
I'm
I'm
very
gonna
wise.
starve. Oh,
It all
wait,
goes all
who
the
knows
way
about the
down
apple
to die,
slices?
depending
Who
on
knows
the
about the
server.
Yeah,
apple slices?
Hook me up, big dog.
Guys, look at this. Look, you can teleport and you can run.
You've got to eat.
Help me.
You can
Well, eat the
teleport.
bunch.
If you're hungry,
Who knows about
you can't
teleporting?
sprint.
My
Who knows
axe.
about teleporting?
Yes, Apple, you're hungry. I know it.
Have my homie cookie,
Oh.
homie.
Only cookie. Okay.
Just make a fist. Oh, I
Okay.
think
Wait,
you
who
got
wants
it.
my homie cookie?
I think I got it.
Who
It's
wants
telling me
my
a bunch of
homie
green
cookie?
stuff. How would I check?
Eat my homie Christian.
I'm
Oh.
not really sure how you
homie
check.
cookie. Eat my homie cookie.
Homie cookie. I'm gonna start calling it
Bye
that.
bye. I'm going.
No,
Hom-
don't.
homie cookies,
He's my
bro.
best friend. I met him from Gorilla Tag. I met him from Gorilla Tag earlier.
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 Yeah. Here,
Hell yeah,
take
best
my
best
homie
friends for
cookie.
life, bro. I played one
Take
VR
my
game
homie
with you
cookie.
earlier.
3, 2, 1, grab. You didn't even eat it.
I record this stuff and I post it on YouTube.
Oh, you do? What's your name?
MFVillain Co. Like motherfucking
MF
villain company.
Wait,
I like that. I should have put chilling like a villain then.
Wait, 1 second.
Oh, you should have.
My
Hook me
last
up,
name's
bro.
Skillin though, so
I'm
Villain
fucking
Skillin.
just getting started. I ain't got no subscribers. Hook me up.
I'm about to buy the fancy clothes. Walk around looking like fucking Robin Hood over here, dude.
I just bought the hood.
Yeah, I wanted the what is it, like pirate shirt? Looks like I.
Gotcha. Oh yeah, dude, I'm gonna sneak
what-
up on
dude,
somebody.
I just subscribed to you.
Hell yeah,
I
buddy.
just subscribed to you.
Good look, dog. Number 13.
Huh?
You're my
13.
13th subscriber.
Oh, that's a lucky number, Dan.
Hell yeah, Metaverse Burning Man. Burning down Tutorial Island. It's a fucking riot!
Wait,
Let's jump the next
Spread it.
guy that logs
Spread
in
it.
and set him
spread
on it.
Spread it.
Spread that shit like butt cheeks. Oh, we can burn that house down?
Why would
No
not?
way. Well, we-
The metaverse environment is bullshit, bro. It's all a lie.
I was told there would be birch trees. There is no birch trees.
I saw that though. You straight Assassin Creeded that kid, bro.
Griffin, you're getting hit from the back. No, don't eat them. Grab a blueberry. A blueberry. No, don't eat it. Oh, no. Don't eat it.
Alright, then do I throw it at him?
No, we're forcing it.
somewhere.
Bro, these motherfuckers are whispering. It made me feel like I'm about to get jumped. Oh shit, there's another person.
Wait, I must ask.
They're trying to
What
catch
is
these
this?
fish, bro.
I must ask, where'd you get that hood? Or that cloak? Or that
Oh, this one?
Whatever it is.
Oh, boot my nose, boot my
Yeah.
nose. If you feed me blueberries, boot my nose. Boop. 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 Oh, God bless you, boys.
You guys are all so tiny.